I think today we are going back with greater energy, greater sense of courage, knowing that that message of public health is secure, that the court has stood behind all our concerns to say public health is paramount, and that is what we will back. That the common man will get better vehicles as of 1st of April.
Motor vehicle rules say that you can manufacture BS3 vehicles till 31st March 2017. However, the court has read down the rule to mean that no BS3 vehicle can be sold or registered after 31st March 2017. Inventory was not so huge because the manufacturers were anyway preparing for the BS4 vehicles, but nevertheless there was some inventory which can't of course also be written off. It is worth several thousand crores, and the industry is now slightly upset on the regulatory regime and how they can do business in the country with if a goalpost is changed at the 11th hour.
Supreme Court has given a judgment which was a real shocker to the automobile industry. We are caught unaware. We don't know what is to be done. Now we totally depend on the government and the manufacturers to bring us out from this mess. There are some issues with the transport department. We have sold some vehicles for a tourist taxi, and these vehicles are awaiting for the permits. We request the government to release the permits within next 41 day so that all these vehicles can be registered on time before 31st of March.